Hi, magandang araw sa inyo mga kuchikays at kuchikays na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking TikTok account po, no? And also dun sa YT channel natin, supportahan niyo rin po ako. I'll still upload all of my video readings there also. Maraming salamat po, no? And still sa mga, atong reading na tayo para sa mga collective people natin for the water signs naman at this time, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. So, with this, itong nasa left hand ko is the Wizard's Tarot card, and then itong nasa right hand ko is the Witch's Tarot card naman. This will be used for our reading today. Kagaling po sa, ito sa love life, ito naman po ay for your financial situation. Sa mga nag-aabang dyan para malaman natin or ma-distinguish natin, no, kung ano nga ba yung nangyayari sa inyo at kung ano ba yung mga simple advices or guidances that I can give you today. Ayan, let's start now with your love life situation. I'll shuffle this card first. Ayan, so sa lahating po nang gusto pang magkaroon ng personal or private reading, just reach me on my Facebook account, Francine Marquez. Same profile picture po ng aking TikTok account. Ayan, or you can message me here sa TikTok account ko, Goddess Venus Tarot, ha? Para makita natin or kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng more private reading about the situation or aspects ng buhay ninyo na gusto nyo malaman kung ano nangyayari, no? Regarding sa situationship. Okay, so let's see here. And thank you po sa lahat ng nagpa-follow. Ayan. If you find this reading resonated you, please do like this video and share. And then, also follow me. As always, ayan, follow po kayo sa akin. So, you can get an update from me from time to time. Share nyo na rin po ito sa lahatin po ng mga gustong malaman or mga kaibigan ninyo, family members ninyo na gustong malaman yung situation nila kung parehas ng signs ninyo. Yan. Okay, so let's start. Regarding sa love life situation mo, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, on the upper hand, you have here Knight of Pentacles, may Page of Wands, at saka meron ka rin dito Three of Pentacles. The way you see it, both of you are matyaga naman sa mga kanya-kanyang fields sa buhay or mga trabaho, no? And both of you are wanting, or siguro some of you, no, nung sa Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio na mga collective people, you and your partner are wanting to have child. Kaya lang, meron ding interference ito. Maaring sa partner mo ay nagkakaroon ng third-party situationship, no? Or kung hindi man, maaari rin naman to ay sa iyo. Kung meron gusto maging attached sa'yo or nagiging attached ka sa ibang tao, what we can do about this situation is to avoid it. Okay? And then kung sa partner mo naman, ay pag-usapan ninyo mabuti para magkaroon kayo ng mas magandang pag-uusap or solusyon kung ano yung dapat gawin, no? Para ma-isalba ninyo yung inyong relationship, no? To salvage the whole relationship and maging maayos pa rin ito, no? Ayun. So, ito yung nakikita ko so far in the situation. For your love life situation, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. So, on the lower hand naman, we have also here the Knight of Pentacles, more on money, oh. Kung makikita mo sa financial situation, if both of you really have strong situationship na nagtutulungan kayo para sa partner mo, or maaaring sa sarili mo kung matyaga ka at maano ka sa buhay, no? Masinop yan. Nakikita ko na you're very much hardworking. Marami kang kikitaing pera this coming weeks, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. You also have here Knight of Wands, and then also you have here the Three of Cups. Yan, talagang in the situation, maaaring may mga kaibigan or family members tayo na maaaring tumulong din sa atin to achieve some of our little goals or mga achievements natin na gusto natin marating this coming days or this coming weeks regarding sa financial situation. At moving forward, you need to put a lot of efforts and passion. Kung magtatayuhan ng business or kung meron ka mang business, you need to put a little more passion about it para mas makita mo yung sense ng hard work mo. Kasi kung nag-hard work ka tapos you're not putting much of the passion into it, ay maaari pa rin hindi mag-work ibang mga sitwasyon or bagay. So, in order for you to manifest and to earn more money, you need to really put more passion, kasamahan mo ng hard work na meron ka. Ayun. So far, marami rin ako nakitang friends and family members na maring tumulong sa'yo regarding sa situation in terms of your financial aspects, okay? So, at yung nakikita ko so far sa reading natin today, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio regarding sa love life and then sa inyo pong financial situation. Maraming salamat po for supporting me. Please follow, like, and share this video. And kung mag-resonate sa inyo to, I need you to tap the heart button, no? Or to like this video para naman malaman ko na nagre-resonate sa inyo itong video natin or itong video reading natin for you today.